MLA jang 17 North Shillong constituency ba Edinburgh Nongrum ula Pynrem jur bat bu jingkli ya wei ubriu bal ai kerteng dau S Singhania halo ka Kynthoh jang u ya ka Ïaid possession jang ka balang Catholic ba balai ka balak long hakakat a tarik unai wiang MLA ka VPP ula penparu ya ka jingmong ban yo I bau tei ubriu ha ka Kynthoh artikel ka balak penmi ha ka wei ne kilat pathai ku bor pareng kanong ba baula Kynthoh da ka ba ong ba ka jingmi na ka tei ka Ïaid possession kala long tang ka jing pinjabo ya kilinti singkeng ha ka ba kala don ka jingbred jabo jabej bat kumju ru ya ka dheng kali ka bajur ba ha ka tei ka por ula ongru kum MLA bas ngosarong bandon ha ka jingi Catholic bat ubala ay simbentaru shirham ha ka tei ka jinglet niem ula ngomong sibon ba kiwei Kynthoh ya ka jingit ba ka jinglet niem kiwei bat ubala kop ya utei ubriu balada udei unong song snong ba pura ka jela ne ba shu song wai ban mi sikmat ta ka ba slor ba pun pai la de hakmat kilat pathai ku bor ya ka jing shisha baro Shushu uba Edinburgh Nongrum ula ong bah kapor bakirung Hindu ki pelong ya jinglet niam ke puja ne pelong rali puja jongki na kaliang kepai dungit Kristan kim ju.ia ban ong ban penpau ke jing thot re balai une ubru uthot ya Ïaid possession kiriu niam Kristan ya kata ke jing Pynrem uba Edinburgh Nongrum la penpau na ke jela Hyderabad ha ke jinglet simbenta ha ke program balai alam ban penbait da ke Meghalaya Legislative Assembly
at the outset myself as one of the responsible public representative who represents the constituency of mixed population to the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, and myself as a person, I love peace and hate discrimination and communal, for which I stand here intentionally to encounter the statement published in the news of the Highland Post yesterday the 13th, the letter to editor written by the so-called as Singhania. I do really wanted to dwell on detail, but I will not go in detail. I will go specific according to his statement where he made. I will read: the double standard in response to inconveniences during other cultural events such as pujas, may I repeat, such as pujas, raise question about fairness and consistency in governance. Who are you, Mr. S. Singhania? Are you the bona fide resident of a state, or are you just a tenant in a state? I am very hurt as myself. I am proud as a Catholic congregation, and I am also part of the procession. I therefore challenge you, kindly come in front of the media and show yourself, speak the truth, and come out, explain what do you mean by mentioning or comparing the procession held by Catholic congregation. As well, in your statement, mention other cultural events such as pujas. I am serious with this issue, with your statement, and I do request, come out, be a courageous person and speak the truth. I only warn you and challenging you to come out and explain what do you mean by your statement. Thank you.